Visit DTRU.life now to participate in the Eating for Success pre-launch, where you'll receive a 28-day healthy diet program, which includes the 14-day Jumpstart Detox, the Seasonings That Heal Natural Remedies Guide, a journal to chart your transformation, and the Eating for Success mobile app. Start your year off by getting to your best life with the Eating for Success 28-day healthy diet transformation app. You'll be able to follow along with cooking tutorials and groundbreaking videos that edutain and open your awareness. Engage with parents, business owners, models, athletes, and innovators by joining our member section, which includes new recipes, freebies, and merchandise. You can even order groceries and have them sent to your home, all through the Eating for Success mobile app.